Hey guys, today we're going to be installing Golang on Linux. So just check the description for the link to this URL. But anyways, you're going to go here and you're going to download the package for your operating system, in this case for Linux 64-bit. So just download it, see it downloading there. And then we're going to switch over to the terminal. And so we got the terminal open here, and we're going to install it manually. So we're not using an actual operating system package. Anyways, first step, we're going to remove any existing Go distribution, so that user local Go is a directory. And now we're going to be doing we're going to be untarring the file that we downloaded, and we're going to untar and uncompress it into the user local directory. So it's going to overwrite that. It's going to create a new user local Go directory. So and see, we specified the exact file that we downloaded there. So that's mostly all we have to do to have it in place there. And now we're going to export our path to that directory, to the bin directory inside user local Go. And we're going to echo this export path command into our bashrc file, so it runs every time we start up a new terminal. And this is going to basically put the binaries for Golang on our path, so we can just run them without specifying the full path. So here, instead of closing the terminal, we are sourcing our bashrc file, and now we can type Go version just to verify that the Go tools and that the Go binary is actually working. And there you go. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple process. You can actually also put it in your global profile as well. Check the link in the description for a link to my website with my write-up on this with more details, and you can copy paste these commands and everything else. So yeah, definitely check the link in the description. We also we show you the path for the file for your profile, that you can paste this in to set up the path for all users on your system. So yeah, check that out. And also give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know, and you probably want to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, otherwise YouTube won't let you know when we come out with new content. Yeah, so definitely subscribe. You don't want to miss out on all the great content we have. A lot of great things, a lot of code, a lot of systems, a lot of Linux stuff, a lot of robots, Raspberry Pis, electronics, all sorts of great interesting stuff you don't want to miss out on. So definitely hit the subscribe button. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.